Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you several types of our best-selling models. Look at this, it's our howo 6x4 tractor, equipped with sinotruk engine. Most of the accessories have been replaced by new brand ones, like the interior trim, rear view mirrors, and tires. There are three models of engine that you can choose from: 371 horsepower, 375 horsepower, 420 horsepower. The second is a fuel tanker, usually used for transporting liquid fuel like diesel oil and gasoline. The last specification is side curtain semi-trailer. One side of it is covered by curtain. You can put some products within, hold an exhibition or make it a mobile store.